In today's video, we take a deep dive into the intricate and highly organized world of pizza and honey candy production. These two everyday favorites, while vastly different, share a similar process of precision and care that goes into each and every item. Our journey begins with the humble pizza dough. The process starts with large industrial mixers that combine the flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients necessary to create the perfect pizza base. These mixers are powerful, working tirelessly to ensure the dough has just the right consistency. Once the dough is ready, it's placed into machines that roll it into thick, smooth sheets. This step is essential because it sets the stage for the perfect pizza crust. After being rolled out, the dough sheet passes through a series of rollers that flatten it even further, making sure it's thin enough to create that iconic pizza base without losing its structure. As the dough moves through the machines, small holes are punched into the surface. These perforations help the dough bake more evenly, preventing air bubbles from forming and ensuring that each pizza crust has the perfect texture. Next comes the cutting process. The dough sheet is cut into large, perfect circles, the familiar shape of a pizza base. These circular pieces go through another round of flattening to make sure they are uniform in thickness. As they emerge, they are moved onto conveyor belts. Ready for the next step in the process, baking. Before the toppings are added, the pizza crusts go through a pre-baking phase. This light baking firms up the crust and helps it hold its shape later when it's loaded with sauce and toppings. In some cases, the pre-baked dough receives a waffle-like pattern, a distinctive touch that adds texture to the finished product. These pre-baked crusts are then cooled slightly before the real magic of pizza making begins. Now, it's time for the sauce and toppings. Machines equipped with precise nozzles carefully drizzle tomato sauce onto each pizza base, ensuring an even spread that covers the entire surface. The next step involves cheese, and lots of it. Giant blocks of cheese are cut into smaller, manageable pieces by the manufacturers, and then the cheese is shredded and sprinkled onto the pizzas by another machine. The even distribution of cheese is critical to ensuring every bite is cheesy and delicious. Once the cheese is on, it's time to add additional toppings. Depending on the type of pizza being made, these could include vegetables, meats, or even more cheese. Manufacturers carefully add these ingredients either by hand or through automated systems, ensuring consistency in every pizza. Once fully topped, the pizzas are moved onto large trays, ready for their final baking. As the pizzas move through the ovens, they bake to perfection. The crust becomes golden and slightly crispy, while the cheese melts and blends with the sauce and toppings. After baking, the pizzas are immediately cooled on large cooling machines. This rapid cooling ensures that the pizzas retain their freshness and don't overcook. Once cooled, they are ready for the packaging process. The pizzas are now transferred onto another conveyor belt, where they are wrapped in protective packaging. This wrapping helps preserve the freshness and ensures the pizzas can be transported without losing their quality. The wrapping machines work quickly and efficiently, pressing the packaging tightly around the pizzas. After wrapping, the pizzas are placed into boxes, which are then stacked and moved along conveyor belts, ready to be shipped to stores. It's fascinating to see how quickly and efficiently this entire process happens, bringing ready-made pizzas to consumers everywhere. Now, the video shifts focus to the production of honey candy. Much like the pizza-making process, honey candy production relies heavily on precision and care to ensure a consistent product. Large honey sticks are formed and packaged by machines that carefully roll the sticky, sweet substance into perfect shapes. These honey sticks are produced